What is green energy? Hold on, I gotta adjust this a little bit. Brian.
Green energy is energy that is renewable, so you can basically solar power.
That's an example of green energy. You gotta be quiet and raise your hand, or I will not call you. Jacob.
Green energy is a renewable resource.
It is a renewable resource. That's it. That's all you wrote. Okay, you need to write what I have. It is energy that can be used without harming the environment because it is created without burning fossil fuels. Two things. I abbreviated environment over here to ENV period. And then this right here, this W/O, that is shorthand for without. So this stands for without. It is created without burning fossil fuels. And then what was that last name we gave for green energy that means different? Another way to say it. Riley? Very good. Alternative energy. A different type that does not use fossil fuels. Yes?
So, a clean, sustainable type of energy
that is created without burning fossil fuels and is alternative energy.
And also, can I answer the question?
Yes, but write that down first. All right, the last few should be pretty quick. Connor, while you're copying it down, what is the best soil for growing things?
Best soil for growing things is the humus or
Incorrect. Good try, though. Luke? Loam. Loam. Brian? I did. Thank you. Give two examples of sedimentary rocks. We mentioned quite a few in the last class. Limestone, sandstone, shale, and granite. You only have to have at least two. Sandstone and shale are the two that we talked about with the simulation videos that we watched. Aiden? That's fine. Sandstone and limestone? That's fine. Number 16, what force causes the layers of the earth to settle in layers? A force is a push or a pull. So what pulls the rocks down in layers? Matthew? Gravity. And then the last one I'm going to go ahead and give you, the physical property that determines which rocks will fall to the bottom layers and which rocks will be on top is density. We talked about how the bigger rock sediments will go to the bottom and the smaller pieces will float more to the top. And we're going to call that density. Whoa, whoa. There's still a back page. Get it out. You need to not pack up until I tell you to. All right, on the back side, there should be a matching. We're going to go ahead and fill that in really quickly together. That way we're not late for recess. Okay, starting with letter A. Uses solar cells to generate electricity from sunlight. What type of energy is that? Uses solar cells. Caleb? Geothermal? Not geothermal. Remember, geo means earth, therm means heat. Which one uses solar cells? Hydroelectric, geothermal, wind turbines, solar energy, biomass. Solar energy. Good. Okay? Remember, solar meaning sun. Letter B, which one uses long blades that turn in the wind and are connected to a generator that produces electricity? Brooklyn? Number 17. Good. Wind turbines. Okay, C. Substances that come from plant and animal materials. Remember, those are living things. That's your clue. Which of these has to do with living things giving the energy? Edgar? This is heat from the earth. Is that describing heat from the earth? Okay, so we have hydroelectric, where the root word here means water, or we have biomass, where the root word means living. Biomass, that's right. Steam produced from hot water underground. That should give you all you need to know. Caleb, what do you think? Hot water from the ground. Which one did I say means heat from the earth? Hydro means water. Geo means earth. Therm means heat. This is describing hot water from the ground, which is like the earth. Not hydroelectric. I know when you see water, you think hydro. Because it's not talking about hot water, therm meaning heat, this is going to be geothermal. Okay? And then now, E should go here, but let's double check and make sure. Uses moving or falling water to turn turbines that generate electricity. Luke? Which one is it? Yeah, it is E. It goes with which one? Hydroelectric. Good. All right. No. Listen. If you don't have your note cards, you lost them or you threw them away, right now, get out notes number 2 and put it with this study guide into your binder. Okay? In your binder, it can go in the note section. That's where I would put it, behind all the notes from this unit, because it's kind of like a summary of those notes. Or if you have a separate section for your study guide, that's fine. But wherever you put it, make sure you know where it is so you can study. Okay, Connor.
I put it right in front of my clip, so every time I see it, I can study.
Okay.